I'm out here in the wild. Then for the wild Jaden. I'm down that way. I'm gonna have to end the video recording. If I don't make any more videos of this, that means I haven't survived. And send help. I hear him. I gotta go. I've just made an encounter with the wild Jaden. I saw him for a second. I don't know where else he went. He started making monkey noises. But I'm very nervous right now. I might die from this. I might not come out alive. Now I'm willing to do that to save my country. This may be the last time you may be hearing from me. Please send help if you can. And if I don't send any more videos, I'm probably dead. I've just made another encounter about Jaden. I saw him run past there. I must go and die for my country. That's what I must do. I must go. See you guys on the other side. Another wild encounter with Jaden. I tried sneaking up on him, but it didn't seem to work out. This may just be my final moments on Earth. Please, if you can, send help. Oh no. This isn't the way I came. I'm in trouble. I don't know where I'm going. Come on. This is the way I came. No. This isn't the way I came. This isn't good at all. I'm lost. And the wild Jaden's probably on me right now. Back out in the woods. Back in Vietnam. We're in Vietnam now. What we're trying to catch is down there. The Viet Cong, the Vietnamese are down there. In the right position. I'm gonna move away from it and flank behind them. Luckily, the sound, the music gives away off his position, which helps me a lot. Oh, back in Vietnam. And we got a war to win. Update. The sound was just, the music was just a distraction. He's coming for me now. I saw him run up to me. They're in the trees. I don't know if I'll make it out alive. But all I know, don't follow the sound. The music, it's a distraction. We need backup now. I heard him sneeze. It's down there. I'm stuck in this position. I don't know. It's gone real quiet. The last noise I heard is from here all the way up to here. Like they came from here to here. I don't know what to do. This may be my last update. I might have to get back on the case. Vietnam. I hear noises and they're coming closer. I'm gonna have to sign off for now. Updates will be given. I hear 'em. See you on the other side, boys. So maybe we lost something. We had a counter over there. Both girls were waiting at each other. I'm gonna try to sneak up on him. I don't know if I want to feel get on this live or not. I see him. They're up there. He sees me for sure. I gotta go. Update, maybe less update. I wounded him. I ran for my life. Oh no. I need to reload. I see him coming. I gotta go. Send back up. What's up, Goose? What's up? Yeah, you better run. I scared the goose. There's more gooses.